Hi, long story short, we moved, I was not careful, the paper lamps got some holes in them, girlfriend was not happy. So we brought this textile tape and tried to fix the lights the best we could. Did it work? Well, kinda. First, what we want to do is that we want to locate the hole or holes in this case. Then it's important to know that you actually don't want to cover the whole hole, but to cover enough of it to visually seal the tear in the paper. Also be sure to be really careful and maybe even use some tweezers for help to put the tape in the correct place, because it's really sticky and it's quite difficult to get off if you put it in the wrong place. So basically the less tape you use, the better. Also because once the light is turned on, there will be traces from the tape that can be seen. However, on these types of lamps, linked in the video description, the paper has got a lot of texture to it, making the tape a little less visible. The wooden sticks making up the actual frame also hides the imperfections to some extent. So can you fix a rice lamp with textile tape? Well, my girlfriend was not as angry after we did this, so I'd say the technique at least gets a pass. The results might however vary depending on the type of damage, but if you want to try and fix a broken paper lamp, textile tape could definitely do the job if you take your time to put it on as carefully and neatly as possible. Thank you for watching, hope the video gave you some ideas. Have a nice day, bye!